So now let's take a look at the accessibility settings inside of the Zoom client. So for that, I'm going to go on to this settings icon right over here, click on it. And then over here on the bottom, you can see that there's the accessibility as a setting. So you can see that you can choose the size of the caption right over here. So you can set it to normal size or large size from right over here. Here you have the option for meeting controls. So by default, it's always show meeting controls right here, but you can turn this off as well. So that gives you the ability to turn on or turn off the meeting controls by pressing the Alt key on your keyboard. Then you have the chat display size. So let me just set that to 100% right here. And it says here that pressing Control plus and minus increases or decreases the chat display size. Let me just keep it to 200 as I start. So these are the accessibility settings. It's fairly minimal, as you can see. And this is how we can change the outlook of how everything looks in the meeting room. So I'm going to close this out and I'm going to click on new meeting right over here and start the meeting just like this. So it's connecting, as you can see right here. And then I'm inside the meeting room now. So let me turn on my camera over here as well. So you can see that I'm inside the meeting room now. So what I want to do is I want to enable and disable the meeting controls right over here on the bottom. So I can simply press the Alt key and that hides, as you can see right over here. So Alt to enable, Alt to disable. If you enable this always, then it'll just be seen every time. So sometimes what happens is that you might not see the meeting controls and you might get confused. So having that accessibility feature on actually lets you have this all the time. So that's one of the feature over here. And in the chat, we set our size of the message to 200%, and you can see that this is quite big. So I can type in something right here, press enter. So it's very, very big, as you can see. But I can resize this on the go by holding Control and minus to resize this down, or I can press Control and plus to make it big, Control minus to make it small, or Control plus to make it big, as you can see right over here. And those are the accessibility settings inside of the Zoom client. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.